Stahls Hotronix has been the industry-leading manufacturer in the heat press market for years. In 2010, Hotronix revolutionized the heat printing industry with the introduction of the Fusion heat press, followed shortly by the Air Fusion and the Dual Air Fusion. The Fusion family of heat presses featured the world's most innovative technology for ease of operation, accuracy, and efficiency. Now, Stahls Hotronix is revolutionizing the heat press once again by introducing the next generation of the Hotronix Fusion, the Fusion IQ. The Fusion IQ offers smart technology, giving you more options, better production management, easier operation, and valuable insights about your heat printing business through the Fusion IQ online portal. All this is possible through a new and improved control panel. Let's take a closer look at this new panel. The Fusion IQ panel is a large, high-resolution display with excellent responsiveness. Heat transfer material settings are simply a tap away. The Fusion IQ is pre-programmed with the correct application for the most popular heat transfer vinyl and heat transfers, taking the guesswork out of the process. By selecting this icon, the list of programmed applications will appear, and with a simple tap, the press will adjust to those settings. The status bar will display the name of the selected product and the time required to achieve the application temperature. For any successful application, the correct time, temperature, and pressure are required. The Fusion IQ takes the guesswork out of that too. After selecting the application from the pre-programmed list, you will see the time, temperature, and pressure displayed. To see what the optimum pressure setting should be for the selected application, press and hold the product name on the display screen. The recommended pressure setting will appear. You can now adjust your pressure setting to match that number. If the pressure setting is too high or too low, the pressure display appears in yellow as a warning, alerting you to continue to make adjustments until the press is within the acceptable range. With the Air Fusion and Dual Air Fusion, the machine auto-adjusts the pressure and no manual adjustment is required. Should you use an application setting more than another, you can mark that setting as a favorite, which will move it to the top of the list for quick and easy access. Additionally, you can add your own library of presets, add operator profiles, set the machine to turn on and off automatically by day of the week, and even program your own power save mode. Perhaps the biggest innovation on the Fusion IQ is its Wi-Fi connectivity. Use Wi-Fi to register your heat press and open up a whole new world of insights to your heat printing business. Whether a small shop or a high-volume production facility, the connected Fusion IQ online portal will benefit you. With easy-to-run reports based around heat press performance and operator efficiency, you'll have greater control over your production. Consider the following reports. Impressions by operator. Active versus idle time to ensure the machine is working for your business when it's on. Exceptions, where the heat application preset wasn't followed. You'll have the ability to update and group reports by any timeline, including by hour, day, month, or year. Hotronix has a rich history of innovation, and now you're fully connected with an always up-to-date machine. Hotronix leads the industry in warranty and support as well, and this takes that to a new level. Should an issue arise, the Fusion IQ control board has a built-in troubleshooting system, allowing for self-diagnosis. The status bar will display error messages, reducing guesswork and tech support phone time. So as you've seen, the Fusion IQ is smarter than any other heat press. Add to that its accuracy, dependability, and versatility with what you can load and print, and you have the next big thing in heat printing. This machine will power your business to the next level. Make the smart choice and learn more about the Hotronix Fusion IQ by visiting stahls.com/IQ.